Hello friends, today you will learn lesson 1 English of standard 10. The name of the lesson is A Letter to God. It is a story of a great devotee of God who demanded money from God when he was in big trouble. Okay, then what happens? It is interesting. In the first page and second page, money order form is given in your book. Okay. Before some years, there were no mobile phones, there were no net banking. That time, people sent money from one city to another city by post office through money order. Okay, they had to give money in post office. Okay, then some charge was taken and that money was sent to other cities, to their relatives, their friend, whoever. Here, the person Lencho, okay, he demanded money from God. He was in big tension, okay, he was very much tense, distressed. So he wrote a letter to God for help. Generally, we all believe in God, okay, God, Goddess, or angel, okay, Ishwar, Allah, Father. Okay, we believe in some supernatural power. Almost religion, they accept the existence of some deities, God, Goddess, angel. Okay, so generally we all believe in God or God, Goddess, angel. We are not atheist. हम लोग नास्तिक नहीं है. And when we are in trouble, that time we pray to God, and we have many God, okay, like Ganpati ji, Hanuman ji, Goddess, Lord Shiva, Lord Krishna, okay. And in Hindu religion there are different gods and they are unique. Again, in no other religion such type of God, Goddess we can see. Suppose Lord Krishna plays Ras with Gopi. Even Lord Shiva, okay, is fond of dance. He is called Natraj. तो उसको नटराज बोलते हैं हम. So this way, there are so many God and goddesses, and we pray to them. Now, we will start lesson, page number 3 in your textbook. The house, the only one in the entire valley, sat on the crest of a low hill. Crest means at the top of hill. House was located on the small hill. From this height, one could see the river and the field of ripe corn dotted with the flowers. Okay? House was located at some height, so anybody can see field of corn dotted with flower. That always promise a good harvest, and we can understand that it will be good crop, harvest. The only thing the earth needed was a downpour or at least a shower. Okay. Now only one downpour or good shower, rain, was required for good crop. Throughout the morning, Lencho, who knew his field intimately, had done nothing else but see the sky towards the northeast. From the morning, Lencho, the person, was seeing at the sky and was hoping for rain. Okay, there were clouds in the sky and he knew his field intimately. Intimately means closely. Close relation is called intimate relation. Now, we are really going to get some water, woman, he said to his wife. We are going to get some water or good rain. The woman who was preparing supper replied, yes, God willing. If God wish, okay, it will be good. If God send rain, it will be good. God willing means. The older boys were working in the field while the smaller ones were playing near the house until the woman called to them all. Older boys, okay? They were working in the field and smaller boys were playing till the woman called them. Come for dinner. It was during the woman called. It was during the meal that just as Lencho had predicted, big drops of rain began to fall. Prediction means to say in advance, to say future. It is like forecast. एडवांस में हम कुछ गेस करें एंड इफ इट इज ट्रू इट इज प्रिडिक्ट. तो लेंचो had predicted that rain will come and the rain started. In the northeast, huge mountains of clouds could be seen approaching. Huge mountains of clouds. Okay, clouds were very big, approaching. They were coming near and near. The air was fresh and sweet. Air was fresh and sweet. It was pleasant atmosphere, pleasant air. The man went out for no other reason than to have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body. The man Lencho went out from the house, okay, for no reason but only for enjoyment of rain. Generally, most of the people like to get wet in the rain, okay? हमको बारिश में भीगना अच्छा लगता है. And when he returned, he exclaimed, "These aren't raindrops falling from the sky. They are new coins." He was very happy. He exclaimed, "These aren't raindrops. These are coin." Okay? ये बारिश नहीं है, ये बारिश की बूंदे नहीं है, ये तो कॉइन है, सिक्के है. The big drops are 10-cent pieces and the little ones are 5s. Further he told that big drops are 10-cent pieces. 10 cent उसकी करेंसी का कॉइन है, ओके. 10 का सिक्का है और छोटे है वो 5 के सिक्के है. With the satisfied expression he regarded the field of ripe corn with its flowers draped in a curtain of rain. Okay, he looked with satisfaction at his field with flowers draped, covered in the curtain of rain. The rain was falling heavily, so field was not seen properly. So here it is written that draped in the curtain of rain. But suddenly a strong wind began to blow, and along with the rain, very large hailstone began to fall. But suddenly, speed of the wind increased. Okay, strong wind began to blow. Along with the rain, very large hailstone. Hailstone means snowfall. Okay, small pieces of ice is called hail. Hailstone began to fall. This truly did resemble new silver coins. Now, this small piece of ice, round piece of ice, really look like coin, silver coins. Resemble means like same. तो सच में तो ये कॉइन जैसे दिख रहे थे. The boys exposing themselves to the rain, okay, the boys exposed, open in the rain, ran out to collect the frozen pulse. Boys started collecting the ice pieces, hail, round pieces of ice, collecting in the vessel or in their hand cup. Okay, उसमें कलेक्ट करने लगे. Frozen pulse. It was like moti, pulse. It's really getting bad now, exclaimed the man. Now Lencho started worrying. This is very bad. Okay, my crop will get damaged. ये हेल की वजह से तो मेरा क्रॉप डैमेज होने लगेगा. I hope it passes quickly. I hope. Oh God, please stop this hailstone. But it didn't pass quickly. For an hour, the hail rained on the house, the garden, the hillside, the cornfield, on the whole valley. It continued for 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour. 1 घंटे तक हेलस्टोन की बारिश हुई. The field was white as if covered with salt. Okay, the color of ice generally it looks like silver or white. तो whole field look like covered with salt. जैसे नमक से पूरा फील्ड भर गया है. Not a leaf remained on the trees. All the leaves fallen because of hail. The corn was totally destroyed. The crop totally destroyed. Damage. The flowers were gone from the plants. Flower also fell down. Lencho's soul was filled with sadness. Lencho became very sad, very depressed, because he had worked hard to sow the crop. Okay, beach boy then took care, watered the field. Okay, every day he took care of his crop. So when this destruction happened, he became very sad. When the storm had passed, he stood in the middle of the field and said to his son, a plague of locusts would have left more than this. Here, locust means an insect. Okay, flying insect. तीड़, उसको हम गुजराती में तीड़ बोलते हैं. तो before some years, very big crowd of locusts, okay, they were flying and settled on any field and they start eating up the crop. And generally they damage most of the crop. And people used to beat drum to generate smoke to drive them away. उसको भगाने के लिए लोग जोर जोर से ड्रम बजाते थे, धुआं करते थे, आग करते थे to save their crop. तो here Lencho said a plague of locust would have left something. अगर locust आ जाते तो भी थोड़ा बच जाता. But here nothing is saved. उसमें ये हेलस्टोन ने तो कुछ भी बचा हुआ नहीं छोड़ा है. The hail has left nothing. This year we will have no corn. This year we will not have crop. That night was sorrowful one. Lencho was thinking again and again what to do. My crop damaged. And he was in tension. All our work for nothing. There is no one who can help us. We will all go hungry this year. What to do? Lencho was thinking again and again. He was worrying. Okay, then what to do? Who will help? Nobody. Lencho didn't know any relatives or friend. Okay, they could help him. Now here, oral comprehension check. Some comprehension question is given. First one, what did Lencho hope for? Before the hailstone, what did Lencho hope for? So we know that Lencho was hoping for good rain. Only one good rain for his crop, then that crop will be wonderful. And he was hoping that he will earn good amount of money. Second one, why did Lencho say the raindrops were like new coins? Why he was saying that these are not raindrops but these are new coin? Because he thought that after selling the crop he will earn good amount of money. So he felt that these raindrops are like coin. उसको ऐसा फीलिंग हुई. Why did the rain change? How did the rain change? What happened to Lencho's field? How did the rain change? Okay, if you remember, the line was suddenly. Okay, the wind started blowing very fast. Okay, and the hailstone started falling and started destroying the crop. This way, rain change, and it started destroying the Lencho's crop. All the flowers of the crop fell down, okay, plants fell down, even all the leaf fell down from the plants. What were the Lenchos feeling when the hail stopped? How did Lencho feel when the hailstone stopped? Lencho was very sad. Okay? Answer, Lencho was very sad. Okay? He was tense. He thought that next year we will all go hungry. Okay, we will starve. We have no food grain. अब हमारे पास फूड ग्रेन नहीं रहेगा. तो Lencho was very tense. Okay, he said to his son that a plague of locust would have left something, but this hail has left nothing. Here, I am telling you short answer of comprehension check. Okay, you will write in detail. Means not long answer, but how is required. Okay. Now next paragraph, page number 5. Below the oral comprehension check. But in the heart of all who lived in the solitary house in the middle of the valley, there was a single hope, help from God. Okay, but all the family members of this house, they hope help from God. Solitary house. Here, solitary house means there was only one house of Lencho on the hill. So they were hoping help from God. Don't be so upset. Even though this seems like a total loss, remember, no one dies of hunger. Lencho was thinking. Okay? जैसे हमारे गुजराती में, हिंदी में भी कहावत है કે કીડીને કણ અને હાથીને મણ મળી રહે છે. Even small particles for the ant and the big fodder, okay, is got by elephant. सबको खाना पीना मिल जाता है. ये दूसरी कहावत भी है कि भगवान ने दांत दिया है तो खाने का भी देंगे. तो Lencho was thinking, okay, total, no one dies of hunger. That was, they say, no one dies of hunger. Lencho had listened this, okay. All through the night, Lencho thought only of his one hope, the help from God. Lencho could not sleep in the night. He was thinking how to get help from God, whose eyes, as he had been instructed, see everything. Okay? God see everything. हम बोलते हैं, समझते हैं कि God को सब पता है. Okay? God see everything. God is omniware. God is omniscient. Okay? And God is omnipotent. God सर्वशक्तिमान है. God सर्व जगह पे है. Okay? And he knows everything. Even what is deep in one's conscious. Okay? हमारे माइंड में जो है deep, that also is known to God. Lencho was an ox of a man working like an animal. He was very hard working person. Ox of a man working like an animal in the field, but still he knew how to write. He was literate person, okay? He knew reading and writing. The following Sunday at daybreak, he began to write a letter which he himself would carry to town and place in the mail. The next Sunday, in the morning, daybreak, he wrote a letter, okay, went to the nearby town and placed in the mail, posted it in the post office box. It was nothing less than a letter to God. Oh, he wrote letter directly to God for help. Okay, now next part of lesson we will do in next period. Okay, student?